Hello, hello friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by with my birthday card for day 10 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. I know not everybody likes to color, so today I did a card with no coloring. Look at me go. I used a whole bunch of Gina K Designs products. I used several colors of ink. I started out to only use 3 and I just kept going. It seemed like the thing to do. So I used grass green, turquoise sea, passionate pink, blue lagoon, lipstick, sweet mango, and sweet corn. Also used the Wreath Builder template. I used the 3 3/4 size. I hadn't played with it for quite a while. It took me a minute to remember, but then once I did, I remembered how much fun it is and how much I love it. I really didn't want to stop, but I have other projects I need to get to. But I will definitely be pulling that again soon, I feel. I had bought the Wreath Builder as a bundle, and this is the stamp set that came in that bundle. I just think it's, as you can tell, it's been very well used. I pulled out some old My Mind's Eye. It's the Notable Collectible paper pad 2013. I'm loving that I am shopping my stash. I did pulled out an embossing folder from Stamping Up. It's probably long retired. The Layered Leaves. And then I used my favorite things, A2 stitched rectangles, set 1 dies. And then I used some Gina Marie designs. This is the cross-stitched squares. Onto my card. Sorry, was about ready to have a product avalanche. Here's my card. Like I said, I originally started, I was just going to do 3 colors, but then I just kept adding, and I absolutely love the colors together. I love how it turned out. I was surprised how much I loved it since I didn't color. As we know, I love to color, but this was so fun, and it turned out so pretty, and I'm glad that I took a minute to just play. Yeah, just so fun. On the inside, I just put a couple pieces of this paper. I don't know if you can see the emboss. Maybe if I pull it back just a little bit. But, so that is my card for day 10. I do have plans now that I'm kind of getting over my anxiety with making videos. Next month, I'm going to kind of dive very softly into making more process type videos. Crossing my fingers that my anxiety will let me do that. I'm just having fun, and I think that's what this hobby is about, right? Having fun, and for me, it's about sharing the cards with people and making them smile. So that's my plans, but we still have a whole bunch of September left, so I will be doing these just quick card shares for that, because doing a process video every day would be a lot. So we'll just stick to the quick card shares for that, and then you kind of know my plans moving forward. Have a couple fun things coming up, and I'm in a very rambly mood, so I will let you be. I hope you go do something for yourself. Go get crafty, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.